Hello guys, today we're going to talk to you about good habits. Good habits. How to get them and how to keep them. How do you get good habits in your life? Good habits are very important because they allow us to focus on being the person that we want to be. So how do you get them? So first of all, we get them by finding out what are those habits that we want to keep. Or what are the habits that we want to replace for a better habit. So after you have a list of 2 or 3 of those habits, then you got to find out, okay, how do I incorporate those into my daily life so that I can make it a habit? Just because you want to do something doesn't mean it's a habit. It's something that you want to do. To make it a habit, it has to be something that you do effortlessly. That you wake up and you automatically you go and drink a bottle or a glass of water. So to get them, you have to practice it for at least 21 days, right? At least 21, you could do more than this, but they say at least 21 days, practice your habit in a row. And then to keep them, you have to reward yourself. This is the fun part. Reward yourself every time you hit a milestone. For example, if you want to incorporate the habit of working out, you want to do some exercise, then in order to keep that habit, you have to reward yourself when you have, maybe when you lose a certain amount of weight or when you get to a certain amount of months working out, go and reward yourself. Or you can even do it every month. Rewarding yourself is very fun and it's what allows us to keep doing that habit, to keep making it fun so we can enjoy it. That's all we have for you guys today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you like it or if you have any questions. We'll be happy to share with you. Right, Leonardo? Yes. Bye now. Bye. Say bye.